The 4 Lexington Avenue Express is a rapid transit service in the A division of the New York City subway. Its route emblem, or bullet, is colored forest green since it uses the IRT Lexington Avenue line in Manhattan. The 4 operates at all times. Daytime service operates between Woodlawn and the Bronx and Utica Avenue in Crown Heights, Brooklyn via the IRT Jerome Avenue line in the Bronx, Express via the Lexington Avenue line in Manhattan, and the IRT Eastern Parkway line in Brooklyn. Limited rush hour service, as well as late night service, is extended beyond Utica Avenue to / from New Lots Avenue in East New York, Brooklyn via the IRT New Lots line. During rush hours in the peak direction, 4 trains skip 138th Street, Grand Concourse. Late night service makes all stops except for Hoyt Street. For up to an hour after evening events that are held at Yankee Stadium, a special downtown-only express service runs between 161st Street, Yankee Stadium and Bowling Green. Until 1983, rush hour 4 trains originated and terminated at Flatbush Avenue, Brooklyn College in Brooklyn. On November 17, 2019, New York City Transit cut weekday evening 3, 4 and 5 service in order to accommodate planned subway work. This change, which was approved by the MTA board on June 27, 2019, started late night 4 service to New Lots Avenue, an hour earlier, at 10:30 p.m. instead of 11:30 p.m., replacing 3 service, which was cut back to Times Square 42nd Street. These changes in service were expected to save the agency $0.9 million annually. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.